how to set up OBS settings for streaming. So if you want OBS to set you for proper streaming, what you are going to be doing is you're going to go to File and you're going to go to Settings. Now, once you go into Settings, you're going to go to Stream. First of all, you're going to make sure what device you want to stream on. So it could be Twitch, YouTube, whatever you want. So first you're going to do that. Then it says connect account. So you're going to make sure to authorize and connect your Twitch account to your OBS, okay? And once you've connected your Twitch account, Twitch gives you a stream key to properly connect your OBS to your Twitch. So you're going to get that stream key off of Twitch's website from your settings in your creator dashboard. And once you've gotten that, you're going to finally come over to output. In streaming, obviously choose 2500 kbps because that works good. The bitrate, keep it highest. Hardware is going to be default. And encoder preset, this depends on your PC. Now, if your PC is really good, I suggest just going to quality or max quality. But if you have a low latency PC, I would suggest going with either max performance or any of the below. So yeah, those are the main settings that you're going to want to apply if you want to stream on OBS. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.